Hi everyone, welcome to Droid channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix Samsung phone stuck on logo screen. When an Android smartphone like Samsung gets stuck on the Samsung logo, you will no longer be able to use your device. If your phone is stuck on the Samsung logo while charging, stuck on the Samsung logo after updating a program, restarting the phone is stuck at the logo interface. Why is your Samsung stuck on the logo? Please join me to first understand the reasons why your Samsung phone is stuck on the logo interface. The Samsung battery cable is connected incorrectly. Improper installation of third-party applications. More commonly, it happens after a firmware update. Memory card errors and more. How to fix Samsung phone stuck on logo. Please use the following 6 methods to solve this problem. If the following methods are helpful to you, you can click subscribe to get the latest news. Method 1 is to force restart your Samsung phone. If your Samsung phone is stuck at the Samsung logo, you should force restart your Samsung phone first. You need to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds, until you feel the vibration or the Samsung logo. You can let go. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. When restarting, please wait patiently for 30 seconds, 3 minutes to see if the phone will return to the Samsung home screen. Method 2 is to drain the battery or remove the battery. If the force restart doesn't work, your Samsung phone is still stuck at the Samsung logo. Then please use up the battery of the phone. You can put the phone in a dry place for a day or even longer. After confirming that the battery is exhausted, charge the Samsung phone for at least 60 minutes, and try to turn on the Samsung phone again. See if it returns to normal. If the battery is removable, remove the battery. After leaving it for at least 3 to 5 minutes, reinstall the battery and turn on the Samsung phone again. After turning it on, please check whether the Samsung phone can return to the main screen. Method 3 is to enter Samsung safe mode. The Samsung stuck on logo issue can occur when there is a problem with installed third-party apps. To find out if an app is at fault, you need to boot your phone into safe mode. Please follow the steps below to enter safe mode. Press and hold the phone's power button. Once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release the power button and hold the volume down button. Wait until your phone finishes restarting, and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of your screen after the restart is complete. Your phone is now running in safe mode. If your phone is able to go to the phone's home screen in safe mode, then find the problematic app and uninstall it. Method 4 is to wipe the cache partition. If your phone is still stuck on the Samsung logo, it may be that the cache files on your Samsung phone are corrupted. Wiping the cache partition of your Samsung phone can solve this problem. Follow the steps below to enter recovery mode. Turn off the phone and connect the phone to the computer with a USB data cable. After connecting, press and hold the volume up button and the power button until the recovery mode interface appears on the screen. At this time, the screen will prompt you to enter recovery mode. So, choose Wipe Cache Partition. You need to use the volume up and volume down keys to select it, and power key to confirm it. After confirming, please wait patiently for your phone to finish clearing the cache. After clearing the cache, please restart the phone to see if you can enter the main screen normally. Method 5 is to restore factory settings. If you are not able to figure out exactly how the Samsung stuck on Samsung screen issue happens, then you may need to factory reset your phone. Please connect your phone to your computer. Then, make sure your phone is turned off and wait at least 30 seconds. Next, press the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. You can let go while seeing the recovery mode screen. From the Samsung recovery screen, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm. Then, use the volume buttons to select Factory Reset and use the volume buttons to select the Yes option to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which should only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once done, it will take you back to the recovery mode interface. Use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your phone will turn on and reboot to the home screen. Samsung phones need to be reactivated after a factory reset. Please follow the prompts to reactivate. After the activation is successful, please verify again whether the phone returns to the main screen normally. Method 6 is to seek professional help. If you have tried all the above methods and your phone is still stuck on the Samsung logo, then please take your phone to a Samsung store to have your Samsung phone checked and repaired by a professional. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.